Hello and welcome to India Today. I am Sanjay Ponappa and today I am going to be reviewing the Telugu film Jack. My one-liner of the film would be that Sidhu Jonalagadda's Jack has failed to recreate the magic that he created with Tillu and Tillu Square. Talking about the film, Jack stars Sidhu Jonalagadda as the lead, playing the titular character. He is also named Pablo Neruda, along with Vaishnavi Chaitanya and Prakash Raj among several others. The film is directed by Bommarillu Bhaskar, the director of the film Bommarillu and Orange, both cult classic films in Telugu cinema. Now, the reason why I said that Jack fails to impress the audience is because it just doesn't have the same magic, especially it just doesn't have the same magic as Tillu. With this film, it is very evident that Starboy Sidhu has put in all the efforts that he can for the film and also to break out of this mold of being looked at as just the character DJ Tillu and has tried to do something else, do a bit of action, try to present himself in a massy way, but still all of that falls short because there is nothing in the story to get impressed by. While Sidhu might have put in all the efforts necessary, it just didn't feel like we were watching him on the big screen. It felt like it was a puppet being controlled by a director. Talking about the director Bommarillu Bhaskar, unfortunately for a director who has cult classics like Bommarillu and Orange under his belt, he just couldn't create the same magic as he once did. His story was so shallow, especially considering that it was revolving around the research and analysis wing and their fight against terrorism. Just the premise could have so much depth, but this film was just very shallow as water in a bucket. While one would expect at least a swimming pool, this was just a water in a bucket and everybody were just floating like a paper boat in it. Very honestly speaking, the film did show some flair in the first 20 minutes when Sidhu's Pablo Neruda character is introduced, the way his street smart is introduced, the way his wit is introduced, the way, the classic comedy of Sidhu Jonalagadda and his presentation was introduced. All of that showed some flair of this film being a good entertainer, but after the 20 minutes, it didn't really take long for the story to completely disengage the audience. Talking about the performances in the film, like I said, Sidhu did put all his efforts into the film, but nothing really translates into impressive on screen. His portrayal of the character is as good as it gets. In some places, you get shades of Tillu here and there, but that is just probably because, Tillu is so much more close to Sidhu Jonalgadda as a person. It's just his character coming into the character he is portraying in this film. But then again, many instances were there, like the one we pointed out while reacting to the trailer of the film, that there are dialogues that he is delivering, and in those instances, you can see the stark difference between the dialogues that he delivers with conviction and the dialogues that he doesn't really deliver with conviction. It feels like he is being forced to say this dialogue, and it just, even if it's comedy, it just doesn't land right, and that is not something you would expect from someone like Starboy Sidhu. Vaishnavi Chaitanya and Prakash Raj, along with all the other supporting characters, have done a decent job. I feel like they just delivered whatever the director asked of them, but then no performance, including Sidhu's, is a standout performance in this film. One thing that we've noticed in many films is that whenever you are underwhelmed by the creative aspect of a film, be it the story, screenplay, direction, and all of it, there is still a glimmer of hope for the audiences to be impressed when it comes to technicalities like cinematography, music, editing, whatnot. But in this film, even all of those aspects are underwhelming, to say the least, actually. They are really underwhelming. Especially the VFX work and the CGI work in the film. You could see the green screen being used. You could notice it, and that is not something that you get to see a lot in today's day and age. You don't really, with the kind of modern technology there is, you can't really bifurcate a green screen so easily, but this one felt like it was just last minute shoots done in some small studio with some basic camera, and that was really distracting. Although that is ironic because there wasn't anything attractive happening on the screen. But even in that, if you dive down deep and look for a glimmer of hope, I would say that was Sam CS's background music. In bits and pieces in the film, at certain moments, certain action moments, his music was actually a little bit engaging. In conclusion, I would say that maybe Sidhu Jonalagada and Bommarillu Bhaskar thought that Jack would be some sort of a Jack and the Beanstalk story where, it would be that magic beanstalk which would propel their career to the next level, especially talking about Sidhu. I don't think that this film would create any sort of magic for these two people. Honestly speaking, I feel really bad being so harsh to a film. I None of us really, anybody who loves cinema would not like to be speaking about a film like this, but it is what it is. When a product is underwhelming, you have to address it, and that is what is happening right here. But still, if you watched the trailer and you liked the film, you found it interesting, you can go and give it a try. Who knows, maybe I didn't like it, you might like it. If you do, mention that in the comments below what you like the most in the film. For directors, story writers, anybody else, I think there is a real need for them, or at least for them, to build a team who would increase the proficiency of the product they are working on. Because in today's day and age, the modern day and age, if you just still stick to the traditional method of story, screenplay, shooting, cinematography, all the technicalities, if you keep them all traditional and not give anything new while giving a film, I just don't see that film really working out and clicking with the audience. The audiences are evolving, so I think it is high time that all the directors, actors, all the artists, technicians, they too evolve along with the time and technology. With that, I am Sanjay Ponappa and you're watching India Today.